Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 3300. Minimum element after replacement with digit sum. This is an easy problem, so next I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. The description is simple. We are given an integer array nums. We have to replace each element with the sum of its digits and then return the minimum element after all replacements. So if we're given this input, regarding this number, we can do 1 plus 0 and this is 1. Here we do 1 plus 2 and this is 3. Here 1 plus 3 is 4 and 1 plus 4 is 5. The minimum number among these 4 is 1, so this is the result. And there are different ways to solve this. One is we could actually replace each number with the corresponding sum. Another one is we could have a variable result which is initially positive infinity. And we can store here the minimum sum. We are using this in the code. Now regarding to how we get each sum, there are basically two ways to do this. One is we can transform the number into a string and then iterate characters. Every time we transform each character back into an integer. So first we are here. We have number 1, we add it to the current number, and next we continue with this character, we transform this back into an integer, add the corresponding value, and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now, let's say that for some reason you are not allowed to use strings. How can we get the corresponding sum? Well, we can extract digits one by one. So how do we extract 0 in this case? Well, we can take the number 10 modulo 10. This is equal to 0, which corresponds to the rightmost digit. Now we need to remove this digit. So how do we do this? Well, we can take 10 divided by 10. And the result here is 1. So as you can see here, we remove this digit. And we can repeat the same process. Next we are with this step. We need to get the rightmost digit. So we do 1, which is the remaining number, modulo 10, and this is equal to 1. And now we need to remove the rightmost digit. So we do 1 divided 10. And we round down this value. So the result here is 0. Given that this is 0, we end here. And if we take each digit, we do 0 plus 1, and the result is equal to 1. Okay? So these are just two ways to get the same sum. Given that 1 is smaller than what we have in the result, this is now 1. And we can repeat the same process with this number. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, which is greater than 1, so we keep 1 here. Next we're here, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is greater than 1, so we continue. Finally here, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, which is greater than 1. So the final result is 1. In the code, we will use this approach. So overall time complexity is big O of n numbers times log base 10 of the maximum number in the array. Why? Well, because log base 10 of each number corresponds to the number of digits in each number. And the maximum number of digits is given by the maximum number in the array. So this is overall time complexity, and space complexity is big O of 1 because we are not using strings. We are using this approach. So now let's go with the code. The result is initially positive infinity, and now we can say for every number in nums, we start with the sum of 0, and while we have a number, we remove the rightmost digit. We divide the number by 10. Now before doing this, we need to add the last digit to this sum. So we do sum plus equal the number modulo 10. And every time after this while loop, we say that the result is the minimum between what we already have in the result and sum. Now we can go down here and return result. So this is it. Let's submit this. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.